Hey, what is up, everybody? This is K-Rail. I'm reporting live from my living room in Park City, Utah. And I've got a very interesting subject matter that I want to address right now, and that is how to remove a wart with apple cider vinegar. So I just had a wart on this knuckle right here that was kind of bothering me. It didn't really hurt that bad, but I'd bump it every now and then, and when I'm doing exercises, it kind of, I don't know. It was there, and it was kind of annoying me, and I didn't really like the looks of it. So what I did was, got some apple cider vinegar, got some cotton balls, and I got some athletic tape, and here's what I did. I would take a cotton ball, just like this, and I took some Bragg's apple cider vinegar. Doesn't really matter what company it is, I just particularly like Bragg's. I dunked it in there, I soaked it, and I wrapped it on my knuckle, and then I took some athletic tape, this athletic tape right here, and I wrapped it up really tight, and then I slept like that for 4 days in a row. So Saturday is when I started this experiment, today is Wednesday, and this afternoon, I noticed that it was really white and the skin was really soft, and I just kind of pulled at it a little bit, and I'll be darned if that thing didn't just peel right off. If you can see it up close, it's gone. It's just like a big red hole in my finger right now. Now you also see a little bit of thrash down here. That's because I was using pure apple cider vinegar, and I was a little sloppy when I wrapped that up, and some of it trickled down. I promise you, if you use apple cider vinegar on your skin every single night and you leave it there for a while, it will burn your skin, so be careful if you're going to do it. I would suggest maybe diluting your apple cider vinegar with a 1-to-1 ratio of apple cider vinegar to water, or maybe a 1-to-2 ratio of apple cider vinegar to water, and then put it on your wart and then wrap it up. So if you have one on your knuckle, or if you have it on the inside of your hand here, wrap it up really good. Make sure that it's going to be comfortable to sleep with, and don't go basically hardcore and just pure apple cider vinegar, because I paid the price a little bit for that. This is all going to heal. It's going to be no big deal. But if you have a plantar wart in the bottom of your foot or any other area, I highly suggest you give apple cider vinegar a try, and it's really that simple. So soak a cotton ball, wrap it up really tight, put it on the wart, sleep with it, get up in the morning, take it off, make sure you wash it really well, let the air hit it during the day, maybe put a Band-Aid on it during the day, and then repeat the process 5, 7, 10 days in a row and see what happens. So there you have it. That's a fun little way to remove a wart at home without having to go to the doctor, without having to go to a pharmacy to get any kind of salicylic acid or any of those other emollients that are out there that pollute the ozone layer and just don't smell that good. Well, not that apple cider vinegar smells that good either, but it's a good home version of removing a wart. Plus, apple cider vinegar is super medicinal for the body, as you know, so it's not a bad thing to mix that in with some water in the day, swirl it around a little bit, and just drink it as a beverage. It's good for the flora in the stomach, and it's also an antifungal, and it's really good for inflammation, and it's a powerful antioxidant. So you can't go wrong with apple cider vinegar. So use it topically, use it internally, and see how you make out. Until next time, this is K-Rail reporting live.